Hey guys, John Cacchione here with Earthworks. Today we're going to be working in the Carter Hill neighborhood. This is a new subdivision. These are Lennar homes, so a lot of new houses going up, a lot of new projects and everything. So if you guys are living in this neighborhood, just let us know and we'll deck out your whole yard for you. We are at the King residence. Renee King and her husband. This is their dream home. They've been saving a lot of money to move in here. We're going to transform the backyard all the way around. So today is our pond install, and then 2 weeks from now we'll be coming back to transform the landscaping as well.
Dancing queen. So today's project, we have a little 8x8 pond. Not really a stream, we're gonna have a waterfall going into the pond. So the guys right now are just taking out the grass. We sprayed it out. Once we get the cat here, we'll start bringing the rock back, staging next to the pond. We should be done with this one today. So right now I'm going ahead and getting this biofall. I'm gonna start setting that up so we start backfilling around it. Our plumbing from the skimmer from our pump is gonna come in on this side, and then this side I'm plugging. You could also hook another pump up to it. If you had 2 pumps running, you could also run another pump to this side. But for this application, we only have the 1 pump that we're running through it, so I'm going to cap this side and have the 2-inch pipe coming out of here.
Here you want to make sure you're level side to side, and then forward and backwards you want a little bit of about a quarter bubble forward. So we dug our first shelf, and now the guys are working on digging down the second shelf, another 12 inches deeper. And I'm just going ahead and smoothing out all the edges. It's hot, muggy, wet, but we got some wings.
Flash is good.
That'd be Texas Pete. He was hurt. Stacking these rocks, you want to make sure a couple inches above your next level going up, just to retain gravel. So this area right here, I'm gonna have gravel coming into it. You want to be able to retain that so it won't all wash into the bottom. So then I'll do gravel here, I'll do another row of rocks along here. And you just want to try and make it look as natural as possible when you're doing these. Start backfilling this rock so I can start stacking up this way. From there, I'm basically going to be going straight up. Liner. Now, Mike, we can just stand in this pond and just like fill it up by sweat.
Yeah.
Right. Just watching the shrimp just sweat off us.
Was that the thing that was funny? God, stop recording me, dude.
So my main goal on these fish caves is to disguise them so you don't see them from any angle besides one angle wherever the opening's at.
Back in there and just sit there.
I already did that rock yet. So as you see, we put an 8-inch pipe in. It's a drain pipe. We use those as fish caves. Sometimes we'll do a 6-inch pipe. We'll circle them around. This time we just did it straight back. Now we're going to go ahead and rock all over that. You won't even notice it. Besides when you're looking over here and you see an opening down there. It's also a good place for fish to hide. Whenever there's raccoons or any kind of wildlife in the area, as you look back here, there's a preserve, so of course there's going to be wildlife coming up here. So on this pond we had a set liner. We over excavated a little bit because it was just a little hot, so we kind of messed up. So what we're doing now is backfilling dirt and going ahead and bringing the rock wall straight up, and so we have enough liner to actually contain the pond. Let me try this rock. No. Let me try this rock. I don't. What about this one? Nope. Here we go. This one will work. Who do you think you are, Arnold Schwarzenegger? Get back to work. Not enough left. Now if we made it higher, we'd do something to our line on the right hand side. So when we turn these water features on, they're never exactly how we want to look most of the time, so
You have to do a little bit of adjustments here and there, and what we did here, we just took out the rock, and on the top waterfall, we did more of like a crotch coming out of that top fall. As you see right now, Mike pulling out the rock, and you have a lot more flow coming out of there. That's kind of look I was looking for. I don't know what Mike's doing right there.
Yeah, I like that a lot better than the other one. Woo.
Jeremy, cut that water off.
So when we're tucking our liner, we want to try to leave at least 6 inches of liner above rock level, and then we'll go ahead and fold the liner in and bring dirt or gravel or rock to our perimeter rocks.
Typically, you want to wear SPF 30 to 40 when you're working out in the field.
Or if your name is Josh, you go ahead and wear your shirt around you like a preppy boy with a sweater. All right, so we're done with this one-day pond build. The yard is just soaking wet, so we've been dealing with a little bit of humidity. All we have back here is 2 null oaks to give us shade, and that's about it. Yeah, I'm tired. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Works Jax. Like us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, and go ahead and comment below.